One Instagram page, 4 videos, 10 million views. And they just switched into this niche 10 days ago. Every single video they post is blowing up. Millions of views, massive engagement, people going absolutely crazy in the comments. And when you actually watch the videos, you immediately understand why. These aren't just regular AI videos. They're survival stories, full of tension, danger, fear, and suspense. Every scene makes you ask the same question. Who's gonna make it out? Sound familiar? Yeah, it's basically Squid Game, and you already know how insane that got. Now, here's the part that should really get your attention. This style is already exploding on Instagram, but on YouTube, barely anyone is doing it yet. The niche is wide open, and the creators who get in early are going to absolutely clean up. By the end of this video, you're gonna know exactly how to make these yourself. And to prove it's not complicated, I made a full sample video in under 10 minutes. So let's get into it.
So step 1 is getting your story idea. This is actually the most important part of the whole process because these videos only work if the story is good. You need something that makes people feel something. Curiosity, tension, fear, hope. Something that makes them physically unable to stop watching. That's why I already built 2 prompts specifically for this. You can grab both of them from the link of the description or inside my Telegram channel. Just open the Google Doc and you'll see them both sitting right there. Here's how they work. The first prompt generates your video ideas. The second one takes whichever idea you pick and turns it into a complete scene-by-scene breakdown. Together, they basically build your entire video structure for you before you even touch an editing tool. So start with the first one. Copy it, open ChatGPT, free version works totally fine, and paste it in. Hit send. ChatGPT will come back with 10 different high-stakes survival concepts, and these aren't just vague one-liners. Each idea comes with a title, the contestant, the setting, the hazard, and the emotional hook. Everything broken down so you can see exactly what each video would feel like before you even choose one. For this video, I'm going with idea number 3. $120 million versus the snake pyramid. An orphan risks everything to rescue his little sister. Just reading that title, you already feel something, right? That's exactly the kind of hook that stops someone from scrolling. Once you've picked your idea, go back to the Google Doc and copy the second prompt. Paste it into ChatGPT and underneath it type the number and title of the idea you chose. Hit send. In seconds, ChatGPT turns that one idea into a full scene-by-scene video blueprint. Every scene is mapped out for you. You don't have to think about structure, pacing, or what comes next. It's all already there. Now, all you have to do is bring it to life.
For the video generation step, we're using Google Veo 3, and it is genuinely one of the most powerful AI video tools available right now. The quality it produces is on a completely different level compared to most free tools out there. To get started, just go to the Google Veo 3 website. Link is in the description below. Sign up and create your account. The whole thing takes less than a minute. Now, here's the best part. Every single day when you log in, you get 50 free credits automatically. And 50 credits is honestly enough to generate around 5 solid video clips per day, which is more than enough to build a full survival video without spending a single dollar. Now, go back to ChatGPT and copy the prompt for your first scene. Come back to Google Veo 3 and paste it into the prompt box. Set your aspect ratio to 9:16 since we're making short-form vertical videos. Set your mode to Veo 3 Lite, then hit Generate. Give it a moment and your first clip will appear.
Somebody please help me! Get me out of here!
The tension, the atmosphere, the fear, it all starts coming through immediately. It actually looks and feels like a real survival thriller, not some cheap AI clip, an actual cinematic scene. Just repeat the exact same process for every remaining scene. Copy the prompt from ChatGPT, paste it into Google Flow, set your settings, generate, download. Do that for every single scene until you've got all your clips ready and saved in one folder.
Once all clips are ready, open Capcut and start a new project. Import all your clips and drag them into the timeline in the correct order. Make sure the sequence follows your story so everything flows naturally from one scene to the next. Don't just throw them in randomly. Take a minute to arrange them properly so the tension actually builds the way it should. Watch it through once. Feel where the pacing is right and where it needs tightening. Trim anything that slows the energy down. Now here's something that takes these videos from good to genuinely addictive: background music. Go into Capcut's audio library and find something suspenseful and cinematic, something that makes your heart beat a little faster. That kind of music sitting underneath your visuals is what keeps people glued to the screen and actually makes them feel like they're watching something dangerous unfold in real time. Once the music is in, play through the whole thing one final time. Make sure every scene hits the way it should. Make sure the story builds and the ending lands. Then export at the highest quality possible. Your survival video is ready.
Help me! Somebody please help me! Get me out of here!
This niche has real potential right now. The Instagram numbers already prove it, and YouTube is still wide open. The creators who move early always win. That's just how it works. If this video helped you out, hit the like button, subscribe, and turn on notifications. I'm dropping more AI content ideas and full tutorials just like this one very soon. And trust me, you don't want to miss what's coming next.